Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Soundcloud account and confirming you have the necessary creator or pro permissions. This matters because some theme controls are gated. Once logged in, go directly to your profile and click Edit or Customize to open the theme editor. Make sure to back up current visuals with screenshots of colors, fonts, and header images so you can revert if needed. This first step speeds later testing and prevents accidental brand drift while you make immediate adjustments. Once in the editor, focus on color palette and typography because they shape listener perception. Pick primary and secondary colors and test contrast to ensure legibility. Next, select fonts and adjust sizes, then preview both desktop and mobile views to catch responsive issues. Then rearrange widgets or sections, drag and drop content blocks if the editor allows, so your top tracks and bio are prioritized. As you tweak, save incremental versions. That makes it easy to compare changes and keep the strongest layout. To finish, do a thorough preview of your profile, click through links and test embedded players to verify functionality. You want a seamless listening flow. When satisfied, save and publish your theme changes, then clear your browser cache and test in an incognito window to ensure edits propagate. If edits don't appear or layout breaks, revert to your backed up screenshots and settings, or contact SoundCloud support with step-by-step reproduction and screenshots. This helps them diagnose caching or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.